Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can add an app to the home screen on absolutely any Android phone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments after watching this video. And let's get started. So, let's say you want to add some app that you already have downloaded, but you can't find it on your home screen and you want to add it here. It's very easy to do that. You're going to have to swipe up from the bottom of the screen with your finger in the middle of the screen, and that will take you to absolutely all the apps, a list of all the apps that are installed on your phone. You can either swipe and find that app, or you can tap on the search bar to find that app by name. I'm going to show you, using the compass example, how to do this. When you find the app you want, in order to bring it up on the home screen, you tap on it and hold it down. And so you'll get a little menu of what you can do with the app. And you have to choose either add to home screen or bring to home screen, whatever you want to call it, or to the desktop screen. And you click that function. If you go back to your home screen, you'll see that the app that I just added, for example, Compass, is already on your home screen. You can do the same thing with all apps. With any one, you just tap on it and choose Add to Home or Home Screen. Further, any application you can also move as you like. To do this, you need to tap and hold on the home screen. In order to start moving it, you can move it either one screen at a time or to a new screen, work Create. It makes absolutely no difference. Whatever you feel comfortable with, do it that way. Also, with the app that you put on the home screen with any, you can do one more feature. This is to remove it from the home screen. To do this, you need to tap on the app and pinch. A small menu will appear where there is information about the app. Also, uninstalling the app completely, with a trash can sign like this. And there is uninstalling the application with a cross sign, but that only uninstalls the app from the screen. If you tap that, you can see that the app is removed from the home screen. But it hasn't been removed from the phone at all. Friends, this is how you can add a home screen app to yourself on absolutely any Android device. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, don't forget to put likes, and see you soon.